What's happening, YouTube world? Kyle Louie here, bringing you guys a new video today here on Kyle's vlog. It could be actually a two-parter to the snowstorm yesterday, because now we're having to deal with the aftermath of cleaning up our cars. Case in point, I'm just barely breaking through on this, guys. Here, look. And I'm gonna, I don't know if it's, so this is my mom's car and my neighbor's car, so I'm gonna try to do as much as I can to get hers out as well. That way she's not stuck. And then this is actually my car that's covered right now. If you could take a look and see, and that's the one that Michelle uses a lot, but it's actually pretty heavy because it's with like rain and just piles of snow on top. So, but what's nice is the sun's up, and that plays a major difference in getting all this cleaned up. So, yeah, fun stuff. Anyways, that is what I'm dealing with today. I guess it could be an outreach video. I give all my respect to those who went out yesterday, officers and first responders, and if you guys paid attention to the news, it was pretty crazy. And you know, they were telling everybody to stay in and stay safe, and of course there's people not doing that. They're having to go to work or whatnot, and so they're forced to drive in it, and then they get stuck. And you know, it's not easy for the police officers and the first responders to get through all that. But yeah, so this is what I'm dealing with today. And this will be my outreach video for today. But I hope you guys are doing well, and I'll see you guys in tomorrow's vlog. All right, Kyle Louie out.